As I said, there's nobody out there speaking like Marcus Garvey. No, because they're fighting over names of Egypt, Israel, and they're not trying to wake up their people. They forgot that our people sit in the seat of the scornful. And there is no one to take them out of it. Nobody's not telling them, hey, get out of the seat of the scornful. You're sitting in doo-doo. No one. They're scared. They all keep their mouth shut. Why do they keep their mouth shut? Because you can't say anything too much. Just like on YouTube. You can't say anything too much. YouTube take the stuff down. And nobody can say anything about what YouTube's doing. You gotta wait for the algorithm to work. For somebody to, you know what I'm talking about. And that's the way they control your voice. So it cannot be heard. So you can wake up the people. You know, it's Jewish people on all this stuff. Facebook, YouTube. So what I'm saying, we gotta think. Let's get a satellite in the element for ourselves. Let's get a satellite. Open a partner and put $10 a month. All we need is 2 million men and 2 million women. We have a satellite up there just like them. Hello? China would make a satellite cheaper than that. Make a big ass satellite and put it up there. And it will not be governed by no government. It will be our satellite. So we can put our programs there. We have enough black people to watch our program. We got millions and millions. All over the Caribbean, millions of black men. Africa, millions and millions. So if we put a satellite up with all our programs, we don't have to pick and choose, because that's our satellite. Upload and download. And the white man cannot say nothing, because it will not be governed by him. But nobody's not doing that. Nobody's not talking about repatriation back to Africa. Nobody's not gathering up our people. No. They're all scared. You know why they're scared? Because they're marrying the white man's daughters and marrying the white man's sons. So we all in a mess. If you don't think we're all in a mess, check it out for yourself. I'm out of here. Peace.